make some prawn thermidor. It's one of my favorite dishes. You also love it.
Okay, yes, I love seafood. अच्छा, हम आ गए हैं तारा की किचन में और तारा आप लोगों को सिखा रही है प्रॉन थर्मिडोर। तो देखते हैं तारा कैसा बनाएंगी और फिर हम चख के आपको बताएंगे कि कैसा बनाएं।
So we've got here butter, makkan, atta, jinga, paneer, salt, namak.
Which paneer is it? Cheddar cheese?
It's cheddar cheese. And we've got here regular milk here, and then we've got milk already mixed with a little cheese. Because I think it tastes better when it's pre-mixed because it marinates. Okay, so now we're going to take first a little bit of milk. You put the shrimp inside and it becomes pink and it curls. Then you know it's boiled.
थोड़ी सी देर 2 से 3 मिनट के लिए प्रॉन्स को श्रिम्प्स को बॉईल करना है आपको, बस वो इससे पिंकिश हो जाएं तो रिमूव।
It's quite a heavy dish actually with the cheese and the prawns.
And you serve it with?
Mashed potatoes.
Okay, lovely.
You love mashed potatoes, don't you?
I love mashed potatoes.
Now we put it in the oven. And so what we do is we place it right in the oven. It's preset at about 180 and we are planning
बस
for
आपको
10
चीज
minutes.
मेल्ट करना है,
We
that's
keep an
it.
eye, and that's why instead of using the big oven, I wanted a dish that fit in the small oven.
I hope आप लोगों को समझ आया होगा जो तारा ने हमें सिखाया है आज, प्रॉन थर्मिडोर। मैंने कभी भी आपको ये अपनी शो पे भी नहीं सिखाया था, तो आज आपने एक नई रेसिपी सीखी है तारा से।
Although really everything can be learned from Shireen Auntie, but I'm honored that she's come to learn one of both our favorite recipes, prawn thermidor. Shireen Auntie,
It's ready.
I think it's ready.
Yeah,
Let's
it
take
smells
out.
so good.
Why don't you come see how
Wow.
this is looking?
Cheese is bubbling, cheese has melted. Be careful.
So normally at home use your oven mitts. We're going to put it off, and now
Be careful, Tara.
it is. Asalugum tayar hai. So
Zabardast.
now you ready to eat on the dinner table?
Yes, yes.
So let's come enjoy our
Let's
feast.
go.